Alright guys, welcome. This time we're doing a JDM edit that goes hard. In the comments you see, damn, that was tough, and so on. Alright, let's get to it. First of all, I'm just gonna take some clips and let's start it off with a zoom, so something is happening. Okay, so right off the bat, I put a glow on it. Really subtly, it bangs, then it should fade away. So it looks quite fucked up. Let's switch it up with another clip. So this is how you do it. You just take some clips, put them on them, and you just hope it works. Usually it doesn't, sometimes it does.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
I think it's pretty cool. Yep. Simple stuff like this, maybe. Ooh, that's dope. Let's see what the beat offers us. Damn, I'm just cooking in the silence, so I modified beginning to be such.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
Damn! I need my water. I did. I forwarded the clip a little bit because I didn't want this fella on it. So there also were RC cars. It's not an actual skyline. Yup. Cool. I masked out the lights and I added a raise effect to it. Ooh. So I decided to add a text here. It has a CC cylinder, which turns it into a cylinder. So I think I'm done with the effects. Now I will start adding audio effects, SFX, how they call it. Let's go.